Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Ben with Joe's Gaming and Electronics. I'll be replacing the wristband on the Fitbit Surge fitness tracker. If you have old and worn out bands like this one, this video will show you how to replace them with brand new bands. The tools we're going to need are a T5 screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and some B7000 glue, as well as our replacement bands. You could also purchase these necessary parts and tools for your repair, which will be linked down below. So let's get started. First, you're going to want to go and unscrew these 4 screws. And then we could just take these and set them aside. Next, you're going to want to take the flathead and go to the top of the band where it connects to the screen. You're going to want to go pry it right in between that. And typically there's going to be some adhesive under here, so you're going to want to get the screwdriver underneath and just dislodge any of that adhesive. And then just pry that right off. And do the same exact thing with the bottom. Just get any of that adhesive out from under there and pry that off. Next, we're going to want to take off this clasp from the old band. You could do that by using the screwdriver. You want to pull back on this rubber a little bit and just go right there where the rod is. There's a little notch you can pull back on. Just pull back on that right there and pull that metal clasp away. Set that aside and you just pull that rod right out and this metal piece too. You're also going to want to save this band holder. Now you can just toss out those old bands. Next, we're going to want to put on the band holder onto the new band. Slide that right over. And then you're going to want to put this rod through about halfway. Next, get this metal piece on. You want to make sure you could fit that right there. Push the rod all the way through. And then this is the tricky bit. You're going to want to fit the rod right into that spot. Make sure it's holding in there. And then use your fingernail to compress that spring and fit that clasp right over. Make sure it's in there snug. Okay. Next, we're going to want to start gluing these bands on. So, with the B7000, I typically put just a zigzag right there. And I slide that band right over. You're going to want to spread that glue around there. And then do the same exact thing on the top side. Put a little zigzag. And just press that band right over and spread that glue out. Finally, we can put the Torx screws back in. You're going to want to screw them in so they're just snug. Not too tight. And there you have it, your Fitbit Surge with brand new bands. I hope this helps out. Thanks for watching.